Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is about how to crochet this beautiful exquisite crochet pendant. I have used wool for tutorial purpose. You can use satin thread, silk thread and any type of thread you want to use. This is really easy to make. If you are even a beginner, this tutorial is for you. We will start it from magic ring. Yarn over 2 times on your first finger and then put the crochet needle under first layer and pull the second layer and then make slip knot. This will make a magic ring or magic circle. Then make 2 chains. After making 2 chains, then make 1 double crochet at this magic ring. Make 1 chain and then make 2 incomplete double crochet together at this magic circle. Yarn over 1 set crochet needle and pull the yarn through this magic ring. There are 3 stitches on our crochet needle. We will pull the yarn through 2 stitches and again yarn over 1 set crochet needle and pull the yarn through magic ring. Here are 4 stitches on crochet needle. We will pull the yarn through 2 stitches. Now we will join all 3 stitches together. Again make 1 chain. These are called 2 incomplete double crochet together. We will make 1 chain between all these incomplete double crochet. We will make 6 pairs of these incomplete double crochet.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.
Here we have complete our 6 pairs of incomplete double crochet. Now pull the yarn tightly to come close all stitches. Then at the end make 1 chain and attach it to the first chain with slip stitch. Here our sepals part has been completed. Now cut off extra yarn and secure the thread. From here we will start petals round. For this, firstly we will attach next color and then make 1 chain. After this, making 6 layers of double crochet. Yarn over 1 set crochet needle and pull the yarn through this gap. Then pull this layer long and make this in equal in length. Now again yarn over 1 set crochet needle and pull the yarn through this gap and then pull this layer and make it equal in length. We will repeat this pattern 6 times. After making 6 layers of double crochet, we will join these all layers with slip knot. This will called a crochet puff stitch. By following this pattern, we will make next more 5 puff stitches at next 5 gaps. Now here we have completed our 6 petals. Now at the last, we will attach the last stitch of last petal to the first stitch of first petal with slip stitch. Now we will make the beaded pattern at each gap of these 4 stitches. At this first gap, firstly we will make one single crochet, then make one half double crochet, then make one chain and again make one half double crochet. Then make one chain and make one single crochet at the same gap. Now we will attach it at the post stitch with slip stitch. Then we will make next beaded pattern at the next gap. The pattern will be same, one single crochet, then make one half double crochet, make one chain, again one half double crochet, then one chain, then one single crochet, and at the last attach at the puff stitch with slip stitch. By repeating this pattern, we will make 6 beads at the 6th gap of puff stitches. For hanging, I have made 36 stitches chain. You can increase your chain length according to your desire. After making hanging chain, I have attached the first flower at the first edge of this chain and then make a knot.
I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never.
Now I am attaching a bead at the edge for the decorative purpose. This is optional.
Could've moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day
From here we will start leaves part. For making leaves, firstly we will make chain of 18 stitches. After making 18 chains, skip first stitch and at the second stitch we will make first single crochet, then make one half double crochet at third stitch and then make one chain, 4 double crochet at next 4 stitches.
life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be.
After making 4 double crochet at 4 stitches, then we will make one half double crochet at next stitch, then make one single crochet at next stitch. Here we have complete one half part of first leaf. Then we will make one chain, to separate the leaves parts. For second leaves half part, we will follow the same pattern. Skip one stitch and firstly make one single crochet, then make one half double crochet, then make 4 double crochet at next 4 stitches, after making 4 double crochet, then make 1 chain and again make 1 half double crochet at next stitch and then 1 single crochet at this last stitch. After making this single crochet, we will make 2 chains and attach at the same stitch with single crochet. From here, leaves other part is starting. We will repeat the same pattern.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this real?
Here we have reached at the end. We have completed other half part of these leaves. At the end, we will attach first stitch to the last stitch with slip stitch. Then make 1 chain and make 1 slip stitch in first stitch. Then make 1 chain and make 1 slip stitch at second stitch. Then make 1 chain and again make 1 slip stitch at third stitch. We will continuously repeating this pattern at all outer stitches of these leaves.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the
After completing our border around these leaves, now we will pass these strips at the middle of these 2 leaves.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just this.
After this, now we will start to making middle flower. For this, firstly we will make a magic ring, then make 2 chains, then we will make 6 incomplete double crochet loops.
Surprised it's you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
After making 6 loops of double crochet, then we will attach all these with slip knot, then make 2 chains and attach at magic ring with slip stitch. We will repeat the pattern of first petal and make 4 more petals.
Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So after completing 5 petals, we will pull the yarn tightly to come close all petals. Then cut off the extra yarn and secure the thread. After this, attach a bead at the middle for the decorating purpose. Now attach this flower at the middle of these leaves. After attaching this flower, it will look like this. So our project has been done. Viewers, if you like my project, then please like, subscribe and share to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.